In this video, I'll show you how to change the unit of measurement inside SketchUp. So what I mean by that is changing from the Imperial system, which is feet and inches, to the metric system, which is centimeters, millimeters, meters, and things like that, or vice versa. The way that you change that, I'll show you in the Pro version and in the web version. So in the Pro version, you're going to go up here to Window, and then select Model Info. And then make sure Units is selected here. It may start on this tab. If you go to Units, you're going to go under Format, this little drop down, and select Decimal. And that allows you to change to millimeters and centimeters like that. So you can change the length. You can also change the area and volume. So that is in the Pro version. In the web version, it's a little different. You're going to go over here to this menu on the right, and you're going to select Model Info. If you don't see the labels here, it's because they're hidden. So all you have to do is hover your mouse right here, open them up, go to Model Info, and then go right here to Length Units, and then select millimeters, centimeters, or whatever you'd like. And if you want to change the default setting for your new projects inside the web version, you can go right here to these three lines, open it up, go to App Settings, and then down here is Default Template. I currently have it set to feet and inches because that's what I use, but you could change that to millimeters, centimeters, meters, whatever you'd like. So that's how you change the unit of measurement inside SketchUp. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.